All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to put together, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this office chair. Right now is the first time I've ever sat on this thing. You'll hear me say in this video, this probably is the easiest office chair I've ever put together. It has a really nice thick cushion. I'm going to show you here in a second. It's good for somebody that's shorter, because I pretty much got this for me or my wife, and I'm only 5'6", she's only 5'1", so right now it's actually, I think, as low as it goes, and I could go up a little higher. Yeah, like that would be really nice for me. Wow, that's really smooth. So I'll give you some measurements here in a second, but you can adjust these armrests. You can adjust them in, and then they adjust this way. They swivel two different ways. Oh, and they go in and out like this. So you can, and they go up and down. There's a button right here. You can go all the way up and all the way down, which is really nice for when you are like at your desk and you want to be on your keyboard and you want your armrest more level with where your keyboard is at. So that's perfect. There's three little buttons down here. One, two. Oh, there's two over here and one on this side. Yeah, the one on the left, you can lean way back. Now I can go from 90 degrees all the way back to 127 degrees. And you can flip that button on the left and it will stay there. And this headrest goes up and down. You can push it up and down. And then one of these other buttons, oh, yep, the one toward the back makes this chair go in and out. And there is one more thing, I think. This little piece here in the back is like for your lower back. This goes up and down also. If you want it higher or lower, I think my wife's going to want it lower, so we'll leave it lower for now. Now let me give you some of my measurements. It does say something on the website. I will put a link to this down in my description and in my first comment, and I'll have a link to their website if you want to check it out on the website. It does come with a 1-year warranty, and it says it will hold up to 300 pounds. So let me give you some of what I think the measurements are. This is all the way down, so it looks to me like all the way down is, say, about maybe 17 and a quarter to about 17 and a half, I think. I'm trying to look back there. So it's really nice and low. And then we'll go all the way up. Now it's high enough. For me, 5'6", I can swing my feet. So a little too high, but all the way up is, let's say about 22 inches tall. And I'll put metric here on the screen. These armrests, I don't know how to measure your armrests. They go really high though, and really low. If I put that seat all the way out, say from the backrest out to here, touching the backrest, looks like about 19 inches. So you could be really tall. All the way back, say the backrest to here, maybe 16 and a half inches. Now these are kind of estimates, what I'm seeing. And the headrest does, like I said, go up and down. I mean, that's a lot. Very nice chair, made by Colamy. Seems like really nice material. Like I said, very, very thick cushion. These legs are made out of aluminum. Definitely built to last. The other parts are plastic, but very, very strong. Was really easy to put together. Continue watching and I will show you how to assemble this. All right, let's get this box open, and I'm just gonna lay out all my parts. At least that's how I like to put stuff together. Pretty much everything I put together. Get all the parts out and organize them. Kind of do a little quick inventory, make sure it looks like everything's there. So my first opinion of this chair, now this is a chair that they did send me to show you guys how to put it together and tell you what I think of it. I only took this chair and I'm putting it on my DIY Gym YouTube channel because it looks like a really, really nice chair. So we're gonna find out. Definitely packaged really nice. I just did a chair review and it didn't go on my DIY Gym. It went on my DIY Gym Reviews channel. It does come with some parts and a tool, so you won't need any tools, I don't think. So that's nice. Manual looks really nice. And I also like to unwrap stuff, but something that has like an L on it, I might leave that there so I know this is for my left armrest. Nice and heavy. This is going to be the piece that goes up and down. Wheel, even the wheels have a little weight to them. 5 wheels. This is the back of the chair. And the wife is going to sit in this chair. Maybe she'll take my chair and I'll take this chair. That's never going to happen. Supposedly this is aluminum. Nice and strong chair. This looks like the bottom. Oh, look, it's pretty. Ooh, that's way nicer than my chair. All right, that's it. Man, this is going to be easy to put together. There's not that many parts. Care and maintenance. This was attached to the headrest. All right, now leave all the pieces in there because it tells you. It says for armrest on this one, for backrest, for headrest. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can take your tools out though. On page 2 here, it does show you everything that comes in the box, so you can kind of, if you have everything I have here, hopefully you should be good. Gas lift cover, where's that at? Oh, it's already on there. Yeah, that's the gas lift cover. Just leave that on there. All right, first steps, we're going to take the legs, flip them upside down. We're going to put the wheels on. Just push them in there. Wow, this even goes together pretty easy. Definitely built very well. This is probably the nicest chair I have. Yeah, my wife gets it. All right, now we can flip that up. Take your gas cylinder lifting thing. We're going to just drop that in there. Just like that. And it says on step 3 to put that cover on, which I already have on. It says to put your bottom where you're going to sit. It says to put it like on a table or something. Just going to make it easier for you. And then you can take your backrest. It goes right underneath of it like this. We are going to get 3 of these bolts for the backrest. They might give you one extra one because there's 4 in there, but that blue stuff is like a Loctite, so that's a nice thing too. That shouldn't, hopefully would never come back apart then. Now make sure you slid this underneath and stick them in there by hand. Really nice to get these started by hand so you do not strip them out. There we go. Took me a little bit to get that one. Take this tool right here, tighten them up. Would tighten them all a little and then do one last tightening at the end. Now we're going to put the armrests on, and we're going to need 6 of these ones right here. It says 4 armrest. They give you one extra one of them too. That's nice. Really can't put these on backwards. They're going to look goofy. All right, so let me put L on. Put them screws in there by hand. It goes on the same way I put that back on. Tighten them up. Now this is the one that had the letter L on it. Now I'm going to put the right one, put it on the opposite side. Oh look, there's stuff down in these holes. Clear it out with the screwdriver. Yeah, I think I got it. There we go. Starting these in a little bit with my armrest off because there's like plastic down in there. Just in case that happens to you. Hopefully. There we go. And we're going to take the base, take the entire chair, and we're going to sit that down on the base. Just a hole right here, you're going to put it in right here. And just push it down, I think. Oh, there we go. I want to sit on it. Now it should be in there good now. Yep. Okay. All right, now the headrest is real easy. There's 3 holes right here. That is gonna go up under here. I don't know if it was supposed to come with screws, but mine already have screws in it. So I'm gonna take my screws out. Maybe that's in there if you don't want to put the headrest on. I'm taking them 3 out. I'm gonna put the 3 new ones in that came with it. They just go up under there. Super simple, just like that. You can push this up out of your way if you want, because it's adjustable. There you go. I'm just putting them in just a little bit. I'm not tightening them, any of them up right away. That way you can get all 3 lined up. They should screw in there easily, so don't force it. It'd probably help if you had somebody to hold this up tight. There you go. I think that was the easiest office chair I've ever put together. All right, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out with assembling your Colamy office chair. If this video did help you out, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day.